Welcome to Medical Minds, where we unravel the mysteries of health and wellness. In today's video, we are discussing some regular habits that can damage your brain. First on our list is sleep deprivation. Quality sleep is crucial to sharp and productive mind. According to the Global Council on Brain Health, not getting enough sleep can impair cognitive function, memory, and overall brain health. According to National Sleep Foundation, adults need 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night for optimal brain function. One key indicator of high quality sleep is consistency. Go to bed and wake up simultaneously every day. Your rhythm might be disrupted by shift work, time zone changes, ongoing stress, and consuming excessive amount of alcohol or coffee. Next, we have excessive sugar intake. If your usual breakfast includes a tall glass of orange juice, take note. A 2017 study linked the use of sugar-filled beverages to decreased hippocampus and total brain capacity, as well as worse episodic memory. Additionally, studies conducted in 2022 discovered a strong correlation between deteriorating cognitive performance and sugar-laden beverages such as fruit drinks, energy drinks, sweetened tea, and soft drinks. Fruit juice is mostly a sugary drink without the benefit of fiber, even though it retains some beneficial phytonutrients. Consuming sugar-filled beverages may cause many people to experience an increased insulin response and blood sugar spike, which may result in persistent inflammation in the brain. Eating whole fruits rather than just their juices could be far healthier. A small orange provides 2.5 grams of fiber to balance its 9 grams of sugar. The fiber has been strained out when you drink the same amount of orange juice. Moderation is key when it comes to sugar. Chronic stress is another major factor. Chronic stress is famous for its association with various mental diseases such as depression and schizophrenia that have become very serious social problems. Stress can even raise the risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's diseases. Prolonged stress can lead to the release of cortisol, a hormone that at high levels can damage the brain and impair learning and memory. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial. Next is alcohol. Even light to moderate drinking can cause reduced brain volume. According to a 2022 study by University of Pennsylvania, the researchers found that half a beer per day was enough to trigger these changes, and that the link grew stronger the greater the level of alcohol consumption. Drinking impairs speech, memory, judgment, and balance, which makes it more challenging to think properly and move appropriately, and this could eventually be harmful to brain function. Reducing alcohol consumption is a wise move for mental wellness. At number 4, we have smoking. Smoking is not only harmful to your lungs but also your brain. Studies have shown that smoking can shrink the brain volume and lead to cognitive decline. Quitting smoking can have immediate and long-term benefits to brain health. Next is poor nutrition. Our food has a major impact on the brain's ability to communicate and its resilience against neurodegenerative illness. Overindulging in sugar, salt, fat, and processed meals raises the chances of developing diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. To support a healthy brain, choose a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and fish, and low in red meat, dairy, and alcohol. Lastly, lack of mental stimulation that can be detrimental. Engaging in mentally stimulating activities like reading, puzzles, and learning new skills helps keep your brain sharp and resilient. By being aware of these habits and making positive changes, you can protect your brain and improve your overall well-being. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with Medical Minds. Thank you for watching.